All right, if you literally copy exactly what I teach you in this video, I promise you by following these steps, you will make 10K per month. How do I know? Because I've been running this business, my agency for the past six and a half years and have made millions of dollars. So giving this little secret that if I had learned this a long time ago when I started out would have made me 10K per month a lot sooner. So knowing that I made millions of dollars, I'm able to teach this simple skill in order for you to make, your first $10,000 per month, and then being able to get your agency off the ground. And a lot of my students who have followed the same exact strategy have literally made their first 10K per month as early within 2 weeks. Now, I'm not saying that's going to be for you or for anybody. I'm just saying if you put in the work, it is very doable. So just copy this framework right here. I'm going to share my screen. If you just literally copy this framework, I promise you, you will make 10K per month. Okay. It is very, very simple. Not easy, but simple. All right. So the first step, guys, is that we need to learn a skill, okay? It's as simple as that. You need to learn a skill whether you want to or not. If you want to make money in this real world, you need to learn a skill. Otherwise, you're going to continue working at a job in which you had to learn a skill anyways to probably get that job. But if you want to build your own business, you need to exchange a skill, a service for monetary gains. Okay. And with me, I run a Google Ads agency. I learned this from scratch. I don't have any marketing degree or anything like that. This was not where I didn't wake up one day and say, hey, I'm going to learn about marketing. I'm going to learn Google Ads. Okay. But you need to learn a skill. It doesn't matter what it is that you want to learn something. Okay. Learn a skill that you can exchange for money. All right. If you don't know what skill to learn, literally just go watch my video on how to run a Google Ads tutorial. Okay. I have a free Google Ads training, literally a free course. It's a 1 hour course. So just, take 1 hour of your day instead of scrolling on TikTok, Instagram, or whatever it is that you do. Take 1 hour of your day out and watch my video, my free course on how to run a Google Ads tutorial. Okay. And that's going to literally give you the foundations on how to run Google Ads to generate leads for businesses. And that's exactly how I've been able to scale my business to 7 figures and made millions of dollars owning multiple properties and homes, getting my dream car, living in the penthouse, whatever it is. Okay. It doesn't matter, all right? Just learn skill, make some money, okay? Now, the next step that we need to do here is you want to talk to as many people as possible, okay? So start talking to people, start telling people about what it is that you do, start posting. I have a student of mine and he's doing super, super good with his agency. He literally just started his agency and all he literally does is post on his Instagram every single day. I mean, he does it pretty consistently throughout the day, but all he does is he literally goes on his Instagram and posts it on his story saying that he is a Google Ads agency that generate leads for X businesses. It's literally that simple. Just start adding people and telling people about what it is that you do. Okay. So he posts his content on his Instagram. Hey, this is what I do. And he gets leads off of that. Okay. Now there's going to be other ways for you to get in contact with business owners, right? You can get cold email people. Just scrape a list of emails from a website called D7 Lead Finder. Okay. Websites like that, you can literally scrape a list of whatever industry or niche that you want to target and just literally cold email them. Okay. You can put into automation software. Honestly, I'm not going to go too in depth with it. You can literally just go Google and search up cold email automation software. And you just pick one software that best fits your budget or whatever it is. Okay. So you can cold email them. If you are just like, hey, you know what? I have zero tech skills. I don't know how to touch a laptop or a computer. Then just pick up the phone and start calling people. Okay. Start calling your friends, your family, businesses, local businesses, and just telling people that you offer something. Okay. Offer a service. Are they generating leads or whatever the case, or whatever it is that you're offering? A lot of people are going to say no, and you're going to get used to rejection, but you're building your mindset. Okay. You're building callous. I don't know what the word is. You're getting, used to rejection and whatever the case may be. And you just need to learn that's part of the process. Okay. Start cold calling. This is exactly what I first started doing when I was on my journey from 0 to 10K per month. Okay. Just talk to as many people as possible. You can message people on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Reddit. It doesn't matter, guys. It really doesn't matter how you reach out to people or how you get in contact with people. The most important part is you want to be talking to as many people as possible. Okay. So if you use automation softwares, obviously that's going to be more automated, free up your time. And in the back end, do something else. Okay. So cold email, message people every single day. Okay. Chances are, if you're not making 10K per month, then you have time on your side. Okay. And don't tell me that you work a 9 to 5 and you don't have time. You have time, okay? So even if you're working your 9 to 5 on your lunch break, whatever, just DM businesses about what it is that you do, okay? Just talk to as many people as possible. Reach out to your friends, your family, your acquaintances, okay? That's really like that alone right there is where, 80% of agency owners stop. This is literally where they give up. So if you can just get past this part right here, you're going to be ahead of most agency owners in the SMA space, okay? So talk to as many people as possible. This is literally just the getting started part. Okay. Now, next part here is you're going to develop your mindset. I kind of already talked about this, but you need to understand that this isn't get rich quick. This isn't easy, but it is very, very simple if you just follow this framework and these steps right here. And like any business that you go into, doesn't matter what business that you're trying to build, what your side income or you're trying to make money somewhere, it's a real business that you have to put effort into. Okay. A lot of my friends hit me up and a lot of people message me and say, how easy is it? Can I make my first 10K per month, my first week, my first month, or whatever it is? And honestly, it's all doable and it's all up to you, okay? It's really comes down to how bad you want it. If you put in the work, you're gonna get it. If you're consistent, you're gonna get it. If you give up and you chase the next shiny object, chances are you're not going to get it. Okay. So it's not easy because a lot of people quit when it gets a little complicated. Maybe it gets a little confusing. Maybe they don't really know what they're doing and there's a lot of uncertainty. They quit. Well, newsflash, guys, is entrepreneurship. You never know what you're doing. Okay. The top guys at the highest levels to this day, they don't know what they're doing. They're just testing a bunch of different things and seeing what works for them to get to the next level. Okay. So, there's going to be a level of uncertainty and it's totally normal to feel. But I want you to develop the mindset that this is very simple, but it's not easy. Okay. It's not get rich quick. Just because you're doing this, don't get too hyped up on, I'm going to make my first 10K this month. Is it doable? Yes. But is it likely going to happen if you're slacking off and things like that? Probably not. Okay. So stay consistent with this framework right here. Okay. All right. So recap so far, you learned a skill, whatever that is. If you want to learn a free skill, it's literally on my YouTube channel on how to run Google ads for local businesses. And then just start talking to as many people as possible. And then just develop the mindset that it's not easy. It's going to be simple. As long as I follow this framework right here and stay consistent, I'll make my 10K per month. Okay. All right. So here, what you want to do is once you start talking to as many people as possible, you want to sell them on some sort of discounted price. Okay. Chances are if you're just starting out, people are not going to trust you. You don't really have anything to show, right? People aren't going to pay you for something that you have nothing to show and they're not sure if you're going to get them results or not. Okay. Especially when it comes to marketing, they want to be able to put, it's an investment thing, right? They want to know what their return on investment is. So they put $1 in, they need to get like $3 to $4 or $5 back. So with you don't have case studies. All right. So sell them on some sort of discounted price, just lower the barrier of entry, make it easy for them to get started with you. So you can offer them anything, between a free trial to $500 a month up to $1,000 a month or even more, right? Some of you guys that I've talked to, you might have some sort of sales skills. Maybe you work somewhere and you have sales experience. Okay. You don't mind talking to people, you're good at selling people on higher packages, whatever it is. Okay. And you're used to selling higher ticket stuff. For me, when I first started out, I had zero sales skills. I had zero business skills, zero entrepreneurship skills. And so what I did was not only did I offer them a free trial, but I offered to pay them for their ads too. Okay. That's how desperate I was to get the ball rolling. But that just goes to show you guys, like I was in it 100% fully invested into making it work. And so as long as you are fully invested into it, then you can make it work too. Okay. Because I was out here offering people, I would work for free and I will pay for their ads, which is crazy, right? So obviously a lot of people took me up for that offer and a lot of them either became a client or paid me back for what I had spent on their ads. So there's actually good business owners out there that aren't trying to take advantage of it, okay? But, if that's your offer, don't, get upset or something if they end up not working with you. It's okay. It's part of the business. Right. So depending on how good your sales experience, sales skills are, you can do anything besides between a free trial and, some sort of discounted price. And the goal of this right here is to get case studies to use as proof. Okay. And so, obviously to get to 10K per month, we don't really care about making an extra little $500 or $1,000 here or there. What we're really setting up for is the long-term strategy here, which is gathering case studies and testimonials. And so what I was doing was that I was offering these free trials and discounted pricing in exchange for a video testimonial, very specific video testimonial. And by having these video testimonials and using these case studies, not only did it boost my confidence in being able to get results for these business owners, and just not only being able to get more experience under my belt and getting more comfortable with, my fulfillment side, but now I'm able to use these as testimonials and case studies so that when I go out and talk to another business owner, I have something to show, right? Now I can have some sort of proof and build that trust, build that credibility to now I can charge my $1,500, $2,000 per month, $3,000, $35,000, $5,000 per month. I've had clients pay me up to $12,000, one single client, $12,000 per month because of that trust, that credibility, that proof, I've been able to generate for my past clients. So don't get too caught up in like the charging $200, $500 per month. Really, the goal is to make your 10K per month, and we need to reverse engineer that by building proof, by building a real business, okay? So the goal here, guys, is not to really make money right away. Obviously, if you can and you have sales experience, then go for it. But the goal is to get case studies, all right? The other option here is we want to send them to a VSL presentation, okay? A video sales letter presentation. I talked about this a lot more in my free masterclass, so that link is gonna be in this description. It's a free training, free masterclass, exactly what you need, the systems you need to build, start, and scale your agency. And I dive in a little bit deeper there, but essentially what a VSL presentation is that it pre-sells your leads and your prospects and warms them up before actually talking to them, okay? So when you're sending out these cold emails and stuff like that, you're going to send them through a VSL presentation or a VSL funnel. And what that does is it's going to warm them up. They schedule a call with you. By the time they hop on a call with you, they know what it is that you do. They see how you do it, and you've already built that authority. You're now seen as an authoritative figure. And from there, anytime that someone is looking up at you and they got some sort of value in you, from you, then you have their trust, okay? They've already put their trust in you, and that's why they schedule a call with you. And so what I learned was that, in the beginning, I was terrible at sales, and I was stuttering on these calls, and I couldn't sell. And I knew that that was costing me money and time and energy and effort. And I knew that was holding me back from being able to grow my agency. I built a VSL presentation, and that was a game changer for my business. That literally was this little system right here is the reason why I've been able to scale my agency from zero, earn my first 10K per month, essentially. Okay, so if you're slacking on skill, or maybe you're just not closing enough calls into clients for your business, then I'd look into building a VSL funnel. You can learn more about that in the free masterclass. But essentially, this is going to pre-sell and warm up your leads. Okay, and the better that your VSL presentation is, the more essentially sales and more clients that you'll be able to get. Okay. So this right here so far is really, really simple, guys. If you guys just do this right here, it's make your first 10K per month, and then come back to this video and let me know that I was somewhat helpful, okay? Next thing here is what we're going to do is we want to get prospects on the phone, okay? So essentially, these are sales calls. Once you're talking to these people on the phone, obviously, we need to convert them from, a non-trusted lead that doesn't really know much about you yet into a buyer who's willing to give you money in exchange for your services or testimonials, case studies, whatever. Okay, so get them on the phone, and what all you're really doing is becoming a doctor before you prescribe them the medicine. Okay, you really just want to understand their pain points and their desires. What's going on with them, what hasn't worked, what bottlenecks are they having, what are their goals, and then all you're doing is bridging your service as a solution. So don't focus on the features, okay? So if you are offering Google Ads, for example, okay, like myself, we're not saying, hey, what we do is we'll run Google Ads for you, okay? That's not how you sell, okay? So we need to understand what's worked for them. Let's say they said, hey, the referrals are great for us, but it's inconsistent, okay? So referrals has worked. What hasn't worked, it's inconsistent, okay? So what we would say is something along the lines of, we will build you a lead generation system that will consistently produce high quality leads for your business, right? And so that is the solution. The feature would be, we run Google Ads, we'll put the keywords together, and we'll do the landing page, and we'll do the call tracking. Those are features. If we focus on the solution, you'll sell a lot more, okay? And a lot of times, these business owners, when you're telling them features and stuff like that, all you're really doing is just confusing them more. And the more confused that they get, the more they're going to have to talk to their partner, talk to their wife, talk to their dog, think about it, let me get back to you, right? Those common objections. So in order for us to move them from point A, which is a lead, into a paying client, we need to give them the least amount of restriction to move forward and work with us. Okay. And in order for us to do that, is just make it really, really simple. Okay. Here's what you're dealing with. Here's where you want to go. Here's how we're going to do it. That's it. Okay. So the better that you can get at that, the more sales you will get. Okay. And so if we already warm them up or along those lines, get them on the phone, they're going to close. And literally, guys, just the last step, literally just repeat and stay consistent. Okay. 5 clients at 2K per month, 10,000. 6 to 7 clients at $1,500 per month, which is like the average of what we normally charge, depending on our client, what is they want to do. And then, even if you do at the minimum $1,000 per month and you get 10 clients, guys, there's literally hundreds of thousands of business owners throughout this world. There's enough businesses for everybody. Okay. Small and pop shops, and big companies, and medium companies. Look, guys, you guys can get 10 clients at 1K per month. Okay. And the smaller the agency you are, you actually have a disadvantage. You have an advantage, I should say, over bigger marketing companies because you have a lot more to lose, right? And if you can come across the business owners that, hey, you can work with a big marketing company that has hundreds of clients and you don't really get the attention. They don't really care about you. You're just another number to them. But with me, I'm a boutique agency and I'm looking to get my agency off the ground. You're going to get my full energy. I'm going to give you everything that I got. Okay. I'm literally putting it all my eggs into your basket to help you work, because if I can help you, then that's how we're going to grow my agency to a lot bigger company. Okay. So you have an advantage over, bigger marketing companies. So don't worry about, just starting out or whatever it is. But if you literally just copy this framework right here and you copy this steps, you will make your first 10K per month. And this is exactly how I was able to scale my agency when before I didn't have any mentors or coaching that helped me with this process right here. I sort of learned some of this on my own, and I'm just giving it to you guys to be able to scale yours. Okay. So if it is helpful, questions, comments, would love to know it in the comment section. Drop a thumbs up if you got any sort of value out of this. Subscribe to the channel if you want to learn more.